Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making some bomb baked seafood recipe. It's called a lazy seafood. Basically, you grab all your favorite seafood, season them, pop them in the oven. That's what we're doing today. Absolutely delicious. Whether you're having a birthday party or you want to make this for yourself, it is the perfect recipe. Before I begin, if you're new, don't forget to subscribe, like this video if you enjoy it, and let's dive in. To begin, we are starting with 2 salmon fillet, and we also have some shrimp here. I have all my ingredients here. You already know it's going to be amazing, okay? So I'm going to season the shrimp. I already pat it dry, but let's do it again just so you guys can see. Make sure you pat it dry. You don't want your shrimp to be wet, and also your fish as well. I'm going to drizzle some olive oil to my shrimp. Give it a quick mix, not a lot, okay? Just a little bit. And then we are going to season it with this seasoning blend right here. In here, I have a whole lot seasoning in here. So I have Old Bay, Creole seasoning, lemon pepper, onion, garlic powder, chili powder, paprika, ground black pepper, a whole bunch, okay? And we're going to season this, mix it up just like this. A little bit goes a long way with this seasoning. Keep in mind, everything we're using has salt already, so very lightly, and this is pretty much done. Alrighty, we're going to set that aside for now. And now we're going to move on to our salmon. I'm going to drizzle a little bit of olive oil. And we're going to do the same thing for this one. Season it to perfection. Just like this. Flip it over. If you want, you can dice up your salmon. You can add some lobster, you know, some oysters, whatever you like. This recipe is supposed to be quick and easy to make. Just like this. Alrighty, perfect. Now you're going to grab yourself a baking tray, something like this. I am going to place my salmon right in. Just going to place this in here. Just like that. Also, we have the shrimp. Maybe I'll add the shrimp after. But I do have some corn here. If you watched my last video, that's the corn from the last video. I had like 3 more left. I just used it for this recipe. I love corn, especially in seafood boil. It's nicely flavorful. We'll see. I'm gonna save the rest if I... Now I'm going to add in the shrimp, just like this. Give them some space to breathe. You can make it nice and cute if you like. I think this will be a perfect get-together type of meal. It's a little expensive, well, not really. The only thing I will say is the salmon, but I think this will be a nice little get-together recipe. If you're looking for something quick where you don't have to do too much, by the time your guest gets here, you will be nicely done and ready to go. Perfect. Just like this. And also, I wanted to add some greens. I'm using broccoli, but of course, whatever floats your boat. You can add some asparagus, Brussels sprouts, you know. Also, we do have a lot more stuff. I don't know if this tray is big enough because I'm actually cooking dinner for the kids. So I'm adding in some potatoes as well. I'm using these little tiny potatoes. I feel like they're gonna cook fast, you know, and this is going in the oven not for long, so that's why I pick. If you have the big one, you can just dice them into small pieces. And also I have some sausage, y'all. Sausage going in. This is a recipe where you need a big tray. Well, I'm actually cooking for 4 people or more, but you can definitely make less if you don't have that many guests, you know. There you go. I think I'm gonna save the rest for another. I'm gonna place the rest in another tray, but this looks good so far. I have some onions too. Oh my goodness. We do have some onions. Where do I put these? These look so good already. I can't wait for the outcome. Love onions and my seafood boil. I do have a little bit of that seasoning remaining. I'm just gonna season my corn with that. And trust me, this is going to be extremely flavorful. So no need to season the corn. It's just, you know, something I want to do. Just a little bit over the broccoli. And then I have some butter going in, okay? Some butter, drizzle that on top. And we're going to bake this uncovered. Now, if you want, you can add more butter, but I'm going to dilute this with a little bit of chicken broth, okay? It's gonna produce some more juice, but just to give it something to work with, okay? And now it's all done to go in the oven. We're going to bake it for about 30 minutes on 350. Now we wait. Let me tell you, this right here is one of the easiest seafood recipes that I've ever made in my entire life, okay? It was that quick. When I was transferring it to this plate, oh my goodness, I kept on eating and eating. It tastes absolutely amazing. The seasoning combo is top notch, okay? The shrimp is so flavorful. Perfectly cooked. Squeeze some lemon. Y'all, make this right now, okay? I still have a whole bunch in the oven because the plate couldn't fit everything. The salmon is so flavorful. You're probably thinking you overreacting. No, I'm not. I'm telling you right now, in my humble opinion, this right here, 10 out of 10. You must try it right now. Hope you enjoyed today's recipe. Do not forget to subscribe if you're new here. Hit the video with a thumbs up if you enjoy it. I will see you guys on the next amazing recipe. Bye, guys.